Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Okwe and you are welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy DIY moisturizing spray, which I usually use for my twists because I want to make sure that my hair gets as much moisture even when they are in twist and had to actually get to my hair. This moisturizing spray is extremely easy and fast to mix, so let's get right into the video. So for this mixture, you'll be needing a spray bottle, a leave-in conditioner of your choice. Next, you'll be needing some oils, and for this video, I'll be using some shea butter and castor oil. But you can use any oils of your choice. And finally, you'll be needing some water. So first, I'll be melting down the butter, and for that, you need some hot water, a plastic bowl, and a plastic spoon. So you scoop in the shea butter and put it into the plastic bowl, and you put that in the water. This is called, I think, the double boiling method. I'm not sure, but yes, that's what you do, and that melts it down pretty fast. Or you can also cover the bowl just to make sure the process goes fast. So while the butter is melting down, we'll start mixing the spray. So you start by adding a bit of water. You would not fill it to the top, just get it about halfway, and make sure you measure it correctly. I'm not saying there's no particular measurement, it depends on you and your spray bottle, but just make sure it's almost half or a little bit over half. Next, you add some leave-in conditioner. In all honesty, there is no actual measurement for this spray mixture, at least for me, but if you watch other videos, they might be actual measurements, but I feel like I just do mine free-handed, and I just make sure I put not too much leave-in conditioner that it takes over the mixture, just a bit, about a quarter. And make sure like it's about a quarter, because my leave-in conditioner is not liquid, it is cream. Next, I add some castor oil. I regret adding it like this because I had problems after, so I would advise you mix the oils together and then pour them. And then finally, when my shea butter is melted down, I add that as well. Nothing should go wasted. Next, you fill the rest of the mixture with water. I would not advise you fill it up to the top because you want to make sure there's enough room for you to shake and mix the mixture thoroughly. And then you shake it all together to mix. Make sure you shake or you mix thoroughly, and make sure that all the ingredients are mixed together. Everything is mixed together, you are done. So now I'm going to show you how I use it when I don't use it daily because I do not moisturize my hair daily, but you can just spritz it like lightly just to refresh your hair daily. But this process I'm about to show you, I do it like every 3 days. So I had a problem with the castor oil, like I said before, and I ended up deforming my bottle. So first, make sure you mix thoroughly because there's oil and it will separate, and then you spray all over your hair. Do not spray mildly or light-handed, just make sure you spray everywhere, your edges, the back, the tips, and even your scalp. Then work the mixture into your hair. Make sure you get the strands and the tips as well as the roots. If you feel like you need to, you can go in and spray again. So to lock in all this moisture, I use my Shea Butter, and I use a bit, not too much because there's already oil in the mixture, and I just work that into my strands and the front of my hair, my edges and the back, and just work it into my strands and my tips as well. after I oil my scalp, you can just put the applicator button on your head, but I prefer to use the tips of my fingers to evenly distribute it on my scalp and massage it in. As you can see, I'm really enjoying the scalp massage. This helps to evenly distribute the product as well as stimulate blood flow in my scalp, or blood circulation in my scalp, and that helps with hair growth. And that's all. This is how I mix my moisturizing spray mixture as well as apply it to my hair. I apply it every 3 days like I said before, and you should definitely try it out. It's very moisturizing and definitely a quick run out the door method. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and click the notification button so you never miss a video. Bye.